Hello guys, it's us,
the teachers.
with a tutorial. Hello!
Hello.
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 Hello. Hello.
Today we want to share something with you that we've always wanted to share with you.
Although not at this moment.
And not in this way. But we have to.
First of all, thank you Nikkie Tutorials
Fellow Dutchie,
For inspiring us to make this video.
we are so happy to hear that your teachers
Have always been supportive.
of you. That's what we try to be every single day.
of all our students.
For some time now, people have been trying to pressure us
Into solving every problem our Western society has.
Immigration, socialization, fake news, Donald Trump.
Tax evasion. Choice stress.
Obesity,
Internet security, burnout, Botox, Photoshop.
Who are I? To name a few.
To all these people,
this one is for you.
Stop!
Stop. Stop.
stop.
Stop!
Stop.
Since we had a brain to think with,
We have known that we wanted to transform our educational system
And deliver capable graduates.
To society,
Who can solve all these problems themselves.
Now we are proud to say, with the right support, it can be done.
it can be done.
Although we would have preferred our private life to stay private,
We had to develop this system in our free time.
we have not fully transitioned yet.
And there's a lot to be done.
But we are happy.
Because we take back control. Now we want to support our colleagues who are still out there working their asses off
To motivate students
to prepare lessons, to grade papers,
Deal with ADHD, autism, dyslexia, dyscalculia,
low salaries, disrespect and
rapportvergaderingen.
Thursday and Friday, many of us are free.
we're coming out of our classrooms.
onto the streets.
We have a feeling, hopefully, you will be there to support us.
We cannot do this alone.
We want to thank a few people before we close this off.
We want to thank Benjamin, Teun, Annelieke, Oefoek,
And many other students for inspiring us with their resilience and involving us in realizing their ambitions.
Let's, just for the fun of it, do a Dutch word of the day.
The Dutch word of the day is staken.
It's translated not only in to strike,
But also as to stop doing something.
If you feel that you are trapped,
And there is no way out. Trust us.
it will get better.
it will get better. It will get better.
it will get better.
It will get better.
It will get better.